I am Vikram Biswai from Odisha. Today's topic is life process, which is the first lesson of class 10. So students, what is life process? Life process which maintain body function necessary for are called life process. So this is the definition of life process. Life process means which maintain body function and necessary for survival are called life process. Or we also have another another definition of life process, that is keep the living organism and perform through so this is another definition of life process, that is all the processes which together keep the living organism alive and perform tasks to maintain the body are called life process. This means what is life process? In any living organism we do many type of activities for which we need some energy, some nutrition. So all the processes are called life process. Now we see its examples. Nutrition, respiration, transportation, and last one, excretion. So these are the examples of life process, that is nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. This comes in a serially process. First of all, nutrition we see. Nutrition, what is nutrition? First of all, I said while explaining the definition, every type of work we do, we need energy, and we get energy from as a through of nutrition. So what is nutrition? We see the process of taking nutrients from food is called nutrition. So this is the definition. The process of taking nutrients. We have a new term, that is nutrient. From nutrient it comes nutrition. So what is nutrient? Whatever we eat to get energy. So what comes in the nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, water and minerals and vitamins. So these are the nutrients. Now comes to modes of nutrition. I mean types of nutrition. Nutrition are two types. that is autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. So first of all we see types of nutrition, where we get autotrophic. Auto means self, so self nutrition, and hetero means depending upon others. So here we come to autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition. First of all, what is autotrophic nutrition? Auto means self. Trophic means prepare. Means self-prepared nutrition. That is called autotrophic nutrition. Means those living organisms who prepare their food by their own way. That is called autotrophic nutrition. So what is the definition of autotrophic nutrition? This is a process in which organism produce their food from simple inorganic material. Simple inorganic material like water and carbon dioxide. In the presence of sunlight. So here is the definition of autotrophic nutrition, which is this is a process in which organism produce their food. Organism produce their food from simple inorganic material. Simple inorganic material. What is simple inorganic material? Which is available in everywhere. That is H2O and CO2 in the presence of sunlight. So, example, all the green plants. All the green plants. Now, we see details about autotrophic nutrition. So, first of all comes to all the green plants shows autotrophic nutrition. Next, we see heterotrophic nutrition. What is the definition of heterotrophic nutrition? In this organism depend upon other organisms for food to survive. एग्जाम्पल में क्या होगा? Humans, all humans. Obviously, we are comes in heterotrophic nutrition. In human body, heterotrophic nutrition is done because we, for food, whatever we eat, like we eat rotis that comes from wheat, which is also a plant body. So we depend everything according to our food. If we come to our food, then humans all are fully depend upon other organisms, other living organisms. That's why human comes in heterotrophic nutrition. And another example is amoeba. So we see details about this in heterotrophic nutrition.